What's up, guys? Crypto Wolf here. How you guys doing? In this particular video, we'll be doing Bitcoin technical analysis. We do this on a daily basis, and today we're doing another one. So, yesterday we talked about the price of BTC getting to around 116k, and it was the perfect situation to go long. I told you guys yesterday that if you're considering a long position based on the 4 hours time frame, you could go long, and that's exactly what happened. But right now we're approaching an area of very strong resistance. This area is an area of very strong resistance, and so I'm expecting a reaction which we already saw here. This is the shooting star candle, so and it's often a bearish reversal candle. So all you have to do now is to go short on this. You actually have to draw a trend line and wait for it to break through the trend line, and then you can take your short position. So if it breaks through the trend line, then there's the possibility that it's going to the downside, it's going to continue the downside move. You could also switch the histogram to the 4 hours time frame and see that although we're still bullish, but it seems as if bullish power is beginning to subside because there was a rejection here at this particular area, which is also a shooting star. It's just that it's a bullish shooting star, and the possibility that we're going to break out from this and continue to the downside is also high. And also, we're just at the area of resistance here around this area. This particular area is an area of resistance, so you definitely have to keep that in mind. And it's already reacting strongly, showing signs of a reversal. You just have to keep that in mind. So you draw your trend line and then you wait for it to break through and the histogram to turn negative, depending on the kind of how long you are willing to hold the position. If you want to hold the position for a longer time, then you have to wait for the higher time frame, which is the 4 hours time frame, to flip bearish. The histogram needs to flip bearish on the 4 hours time frame, then you can go short. So you just have to look at the histogram on the 4 hours time frame, and look at its direction, whether it is bullish or bearish. So if you want to go bearish on BTC as it stands now, you definitely have to wait for the 4 hours histogram to flip bearish, and then you also get to see a trend line break in the 1 hour time frame. When it breaks and the 4 hours time frame histogram flips bearish, then you can take a short position. So this is Crypto Wolf. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.